Hi, my name is Mama Afnan bin FAHMI 01 BDT 23F 195. Okay, so I will explain for the top of the coding. Okay, for first thing is package info 12. So for that is we call it package declaration. This package is the line specifies that the class belongs to the info 12 package. Package have organized classes in the next place. For the second one, you can see is import java.util.scanner semicolon. That's because it's the import statements. Import statement is this imports the scanner class which allow for user to do some user input. Okay, for the next is the class definition. There is public class employee one. So for the class employee one is defined as a public class. In Java, classes are blueprints for creating some objects. Okay. So for the next one, we can see the attributes, the so-called fields for private string name, private string employee ID, private string department, private float salary, private string email, private string phone number, private string address, and lastly is private string position. Okay, fields. These are variables that store the state of an employee one object. They are marked as private, which means they can't be accessed directly from outside the class. This is an example of an encapsulation. For the free one is, you can see this we call constructor. Public employee one, string name, string employee ID, string department, float salary, string and test. Yeah, this the name, equals to name, and else. This constructor, because this special method is called when an object of the class is created. It initializes the object's fields the provided values. This keyword refers to the current object. After that, we can see a display method. Public void display, employee info. So there's so many system out print line. For employee's name, plus name, dot top uppercase. This method display the employee's information. We use system out dot print line to output text to the console. The two uppercase method is used to format the name in uppercase.
Assalamualaikum, my name is ZIKRY, and I will explain about implement method as below. For B and C, calculate bonus to calculate the annual bonus based on the employee performance rating and salary. And C, display employee bonus to display employee name, department, position, salary, and bonus. This is the code. First, we got public float calculate bonus. This is our method to calculate the bonus. Next, we use scanner class, scanner SC equal to new scanner system.in. Next, we initialize the bonus as 0.0 and we use float as the data type. Because we use float, we need to put F at the end of the number so that the compiler doesn't get confused between float and double. Next, we got integer performance rating. Next, we got system.out.println rate performance rating 1 to 5 so that the user know that the performance rating is between 1 and 5. Next, I got performance rating equal to sa.nextA, and this is where the user will enter the performance rating. Next, we got switch case performance rating. If user enter 1, the code will display no bonus for the user. If the user enter 2, the code will calculate the bonus as salary times 0.03. If the users enter 3, the code will calculate the bonus as salary times 0.05. If the users enter 4, the code will calculate the bonus as salary times 0.1. If the users enters 5, the code will calculate the bonus as salary times 0.2, which is the highest. If the users enter wrong input, it will display system.out.println invalid rating. That's it. That's its default output. And next we got return bonus. Return bonus so that other method can use this calculate bonus method. Next, we got public void display employee bonus with parameter float bonus, so that this method can use the float bonus above. First, we got system.out.println employee bonus plus name dot to uppercase. This is dot to uppercase is a class used to display the name in all, because we already set the parameter float bonus. This employee display employee bonus method can call the calculate bonus method and get the return bonus. That's it from me. I will pass to my friend.
Hello, my name is Azmi from DTP3B and my matrix number is F1045. So today I'll be presenting my part of the case study 1. So for my presentation, I'll be discussing about question 6 from A till F. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So first up, with the first line of code, we can see that we have imported the class employee with the package called info12. I'm sure my friends have explained about the package before. Then we also have imported a scanner utility from the Java library. This is because that we'll have to get some input from the users later on. And of course, we have also declared a test employee class as the question stated. And and of course, once we have imported the scanner utility, we also have to create an object for it, in which we have named it SC. And here you can see that we have created some sort of place where users can enter their input for the employee details. So of course, every time um, we want to get an input from the user, we'll have to declare a variable, and of course the sc.nextLine by calling it our object. So as you can see in this code right here, we have added some error handling. So if a user were to input a salary that's 0 or less than 0, it will prompt an error saying that please enter a valid salary, and then it will loop back to the original question asking what is the salary. That is the point of the do while loop. And on top of that, we have also added the sc.nextLine. This is because it is to consume the leftover new line character and clear the input buffer. If we don't put that, it will mess up the code after entering our salary. We also have created an object for the employee class, so we can call all of the methods as you can see down here. And as you can see, there are parameters. There are parameters because, as you've seen in our employee code as before, we have set a constructor so that when a new employee object is created, these values right here are passed to initialize the object attribute. And as for the display employee info, it is a method to just display all of the employee details as we've seen in the previous class. And for the calculate bonus method right here, there is a declaration of float bonus to store the result of the calculate bonus method, which returns a float, as I'm sure my friend Adam Zikri has explained before. And lastly, the display employee bonus method has a bonus in its parameter because in that method it also has one. Um right here you can see that it also has a parameter in it. Alright, now I'll be running the code. So my name, my ID, that's right, okay. The department, the salary. As you can see here, it basically display all of the employee info as the method here. Then I'll have to read the performance rating. I'll be rating 3. And as you can see here that here it has calculated the bonus that the employee got for the performance rating, the salary, the position, the department, and name. Now I'll be trying what if I were to put a salary less than 0 or 0. something like negative 12. And as you can see here, you can see the do while in effect. It will loop back the question. Alright. Now I'll be rating the employee as 1. And as you can see here, if the rating performance is just 1, it will show no bonus. Alright, I think this is all from us. Thank you very much, and goodbye.